Point and Entergy have both made strides getting the lights back on this afternoon.
Here's a live look at CenterPoint's outage map. Right now, that number down to just over 15,000 customers. But as you can see, those outages are all across the area. Channel 2's Bill Spencer joins us live with a look at some of that damage. Bill?
Jonathan Sion, you're looking at one of the reasons so many people are without power this afternoon. Downed power lines. This one, we are at Creekmont and Balbo Street, brought down by both a power pole that collapsed and a tree that collapsed on this power line as well. It is creating dangerous situations all over the city where power lines are now on the ground.
Those will end up coming down for the end of the day.
In Sugar Land, tremendous gusting winds putting on a show at the intersection of Highway 90 and Ellis Creek. The winds so powerful, they blew this series of traffic lights around as if they were made of paper, before finally sending one of the lights smashing to the ground, narrowly missing a vehicle. In Humble, eyewitnesses marveled at what Mother Nature could do as powerful winds ripped up a whole series of older trees, tearing them right out of the ground and dropping them on a series of power lines. And moving on to northwest Harris County, where dangerous winds as powerful as 50 miles an hour at times brought both this older tree and a power pole crashing down, knocking out power to several businesses in this area. This is located at Creekmont Drive near Balbo, a dangerous situation. Yes, and right now we are right in front of PMP Creations. This is a storage facility. This place and many of the other businesses on this street are without power right now, and here's the reason. You can see it, this power line right here, completely collapsed and on the ground. Reporting live, Bill Spencer, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Incredible images. Thanks a lot, Bill. Remember, you can track the winds for yourself by downloading Frank's free forecast app. All you have to do is look for KPRC in your app store.